Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, but actually it does not really matter on which mode you will be. Which is more of a play the special type of grid line, because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so the grid lines should disappear. Let's open the settings in the right upper corner, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Tap on Done. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.